Hello friends, welcome back. My name is PK. In this video, I will explain you on object introduction in Power BI. Friends, this is most recent update on the Power BI. I am using March 2023 update, which is the latest one as of now. And this feature is available in preview mode. So you can go to the files and options and settings, options, and you can enable this feature from preview features. So just check this on object introduction and click on OK. You need to restart your Power BI desktop application for the first time. Then this feature will be available. Now let me quickly show you what is this on object introduction feature. Let me add a new page here. Now we are not seeing formatting or data pane here. You can enable this from the view, and here we can see we have data pane. So we have this data here and we can easily create our visuals. To create the visual, there are multiple ways. First, you can go to the home or insert tab and you can click on any visual to create that visual on the canvas like I have created here. Then build your visual pane will be available here. Now we don't have that format your visual options here. That will appear, I will show you, but the visualization part available earlier here in this pane, but that is not available now. It is on insert and home tab and you can insert your visual from here. Alright, so it's more user friendly now. And there are some other options also to add a visual. You can right click and click on add visual from here also, or you can simply drag your data here. For example, I want to create a line chart date by sales. I can simply add sales here. Automatically it will create card, and you can start adding the data here also like date, or you can simply add the date from here also, directly drag here. Automatically it will convert most relevant chart. So because we are using the date by sales, so line chart is the most relevant. Now here it has created this line chart. We can quickly format this from here. To format this, we can add the markers. First thing, we can add the data labels also. Okay, if you want to add some other things like series label, trend line, forecast, then you can add those also. We can expand this to the month label here. So this is month wise line chart. Quickly you can quickly format. For example, I want to change the color of the grid lines, so double click on the grid lines. Now you can see the grid lines are selected. Right click, then this small pop-up will appear. You can change the color from here. Let's say I want to take this blue color. For the further formatting, you can simply go to the format grid lines also. Automatically in the format pane, it will open that grid line option. So from here, let's say I'm taking solid and I'm taking 2 point here. Similarly for the horizontal, let's say I'm taking this color and here I'm taking solid. Okay, so it is formatting quickly. We have some other formatting option also, like earlier when we have to format the title, we need to go to the format your visual, then title, then we can format that. But now just double click on the title. As you double click, it will be open like we change the title in Excel. Let's say I want to remove this sum of, and I want to keep only sales by year, quarter and month, day, or sales by date, and just enter. And right click now, and here you can change the background color. Let's say I want to take this color, font white. Here I want to take the alignment as center, make it slightly bigger, then here it is available. Alright, quickly you can make the changes in the axis also. Double click on the axis, horizontal axis, right click, and you can make this bold, bigger. Now because we have added the data labels are appearing here. You can see, just double click on the data label to format that. When you double click, first time it will select the chart, and if you will double click again, then it will select whatever you want select. Okay, so it is selecting data label. Right click, and from here you can say okay, show me in 1000, then it will show in the 1000. So easily you can change it from here. You don't need to go inside the format your visual now, and you can change the color. Let's say I want to take this one, make it bigger, bold, Okay, so it is visible. Or you want to give, let's say, some background color also. Alright, so it is looking good now. So basically friends, we have lot of options to format your visual. Once you will start working on this, then you will feel this is now more easy to create the dashboard or the chart in few clicks. Okay, and easily you can change or add the data, whatever you want to add quickly. Now I'll show you some more visuals also. Let's say if you are not sure which chart you should create to show some data. Show the comparison of discount versus profit. So here I'm putting the discount and I'm taking the profit also on the same chart, and I'm taking it by country. As I put here country, you can see automatically it has been converted to the scatter chart. Now let's say I also want to put here by product, then it is showing the proper scatter chart now for which country which product is performing how when we are increasing the discount, how we are getting the profit in comparison of the discount. You can change this visual type from here also. In the visual type it is showing a suggestion also. So using this type of data we can create these table matrix or this type of chart also. Although if you want to change it with other, the list is available here for the other, but on the top it is showing the suggested one. If you want to create this one, you can simply click and you can jump to the next one. This one, come back to this one. Alright friends, this is quite easy to create the visual now. You don't need to take the lot of time in the formatting, and you don't need to find out the customization in the custom your visual. You can simply format your visual directly from the element of the visuals. Alright friends, what do you think about this feature? Tell me in the comments box. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and please subscribe my channel to get the new update of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.